Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF to HTML for free. So first, I'm going on Google. Then here are type PDF to HTML. Just click here. Then I recommend you first website, second and third. Second one is you can see completely free. And first one also free. So you can open any one. Now you can select a file. So I want to upload on here, then open. That's it. Now if you want to translate your file to another, you can see it's already doc and it's RTF, TXT, etc. etc. And if you want to translate its image, here are available. But I need to translate its HTML. Now click on convert, then finish. Now download. Wow, it's already done. If I open, you can see bignews.html. It's already converted. So this is a completely free process. You can follow my instructions. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.